everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make my go-to gingerbread cookie recipe. These cookies are so soft and chewy and I just know you'll love them as much as I do. So let's get started. To begin, I've already got 1 stick of unsalted butter here in my mixing bowl, and to that I'm going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. This is dark brown sugar, and then I have 1/3 cup of sugar as well. I'm going to mix this on a medium speed until the sugar and butter start to stick to the sides of the bowl. So now it's all combined and there are no butter chunks. I'm going to go ahead and scrape the bottom of my bowl to loosen everything up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 large egg. I'm also going to go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 1.5 tablespoons of molasses. Now that that's all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients. I have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then lastly I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I know that's a lot to remember, but that's why I've got the ingredients down in the description box along with the measurements. And if you want a KitchenAid mixer, I've got the link to my favorite one down there as well. So let's go ahead and add these in and whip these cookies up. And we're just gonna mix these until it all just comes combined and you don't see any more flour. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees and it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pan these cookies out. And this is a great recipe that you don't have to chill, which is nice. You know, you don't have to think too far in advance. You can make them and then pop them right on the tray and bake them in the oven. One thing I love about this recipe is that it only makes 12 cookies. Like, it's beautiful to me. It only makes 12 cookies. It's not a huge commitment. There's nothing worse than you make a recipe that you think is about to be amazing and then you realize it makes 3 dozen cookies. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time to make 3 dozen cookies. I want to make 12 and that's it. And this is a recipe that I adapted from my chocolate chip cookie recipe. If you're interested, I'll link that up in the description box, down in the description box, and then up here in the right corner you can click on it. These are all panned up and I'm gonna go ahead and bake these at 350 degrees for 11 to 12 minutes. My cookies are out of the oven and I let them cool for about 5 minutes and they look amazing. I'm so excited to try one. It's so chewy and soft and just full of that gingerbread flavor we love. These are so festive for the holidays. I know I'm always talking about festive for the holidays, the fall vibe. I'm into it. It's so good. This is cookie season. It's Christmas time. It's time where everybody's baking a ton of cookies. And what cookie is better than a gingerbread cookie recipe? So I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. I had a blast. If you like recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.